What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? Do watch a tutorial video, And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a crypto.com account. Now, for those people who do not know crypto.com, crypto.com is a crypto trading platform where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And it's the only website or the only trading platform which doesn't charges you any fee for trading. With that said, this is going to be like a website version. So if you want to sign up into the app version, just open it and it's going to show you the login button. Click on it, enter your login info, and you're good to go. So in website, it's a bit different. So follow the step until the end to understand how to log in into a crypto.com account in a website. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And with that said, if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment and let's move forward. So the first step is search for crypto.com and go to its official website. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down, and once you see go to exchange button over here just like this over here, what you want to do is click on it. And once you click on it, it's going to take you to its official website, and over here click on login. And once you click on login, it's going to take you to its login page. Now once you're over here, basically what you want to do is you want to enter the email which is associated with the crypto.com account. And after you do that, enter the password of your account over here just like this. And what you want to do is click on sign in. Once you do that, if the information you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your crypto.com account. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand on how you guys can log in into a crypto.com account. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And it's me, Richie Kevin. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, everybody.